So, this is my new apartment that I moved out of the dormitory from. So, yeah, let's show it off. So first, kind of got two lock system here. One that goes like that, and then the other one just turns normally. Then this is the light for the entryway. Then I have my lanyard and keys on a hook. And this is like a little shelf. Right now there's just random shit on there. And then have shoe closet with umbrella. Then over here we have a cabinet. And I haven't really organized it, so right now it's just kind of miscellaneous things. But yeah, this is just where I keep a bunch of stuff. And then there's also another one up here where I keep like a toaster oven, some glass containers, and then waffle maker, egg maker, all that kind of random stuff. And so this is what's called the genkan, which is where you take off your shoes, because in Japan shoes aren't allowed in the house and you have to wear slippers. So this is what it looks like. And then coming up here, this is just the circuit breaker, so nothing exciting. That room right there is the bathroom. There's like a fan that you can turn on for a certain amount of time, and then obviously the light switch. And then coming in here, it's just, the bathroom's pretty small, but I don't really mind it because the rent is cheap, because the toilet, sink, and shower are all in the same room. But I'm only one person, so I don't really need that big of a space. And here's like the shower. Since Japanese people like to take baths, it has like a pretty deep tub. Then there's like a fan up there for when you're taking a shower. Mirror. And then just some of the toiletries and stuff. And then the sink, toilet, then some towels hanging on the wall. So yeah. Okay, closing this. Turn off the light. Coming over here. This is my washing machine. It's a lot smaller than my last one, but it's also a lot nicer. And again, like I said, I'm only one person, so I don't really need something that big. So you can select a whole bunch of different options, different amount of water, different time for each stage of the cycle. And yeah, it's just a really nice washing machine to have. Okay, and then coming over here, this is the kitchen area. So down here, I need to get like an actual trash can, but this is normally where I keep like trash. Then there's just some bug spray down there, and then cooking oil. Oh yeah, and then you put the knives in the cabinet here. And then this is like the sink countertop area. It's a lot smaller, but again, I'm only one person, so I don't really need that much space. Some condiments, extra storage, and again, another fan for when you're cooking. And yeah, and then on this side is just for the lights in the balcony, and then yeah, turning this off. Okay, and then one thing I want to point out is I'm really lucky to have a door separating my kitchen from my bedroom, because a lot of Japanese apartments don't have that, so I'm really grateful for that. But anyways, have a door, and then here is my bedroom area right now. So coming in here, first thing you're gonna see on the right, you've got a fridge. And yeah, I guess it's kind of weird that my fridge is in my room, but that's just the way it is. It's not blocking anything, and if I want to get some food at night, then I can. So yeah, it's really nice. Freezer up here, fridge down here. And I forgot to mention, there's also what's a fridge down here, but it does not work. So I just use it as storage for like dry food and things like that. So the one in my room actually works, this one does not. Alright, coming over here, this is my bed. I'm just renting the like bed frame, so I need to get like a mattress topper or something to make it more comfortable. But there's some like space underneath where I can put things, and the AC is like directly on top of the bed, so if it gets really hot, the AC is directly on me, which is really nice. Have some curtains, some sheer ones as well. And then in the corner is guitar, laundry basket. These are Jan's suitcases. He's leaving tomorrow back to Germany. Then I have my rice cooker and my kettle. I really need a table for those. And then this is like Jan's little bed setup before he leaves. And then I use this chair as kind of like a desk chair, I guess, because I use my closet as a desk basically. And hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Because I don't have an actual desk yet, I'm kind of just using my closet as a desk, which I guess is kind of funny, but it works pretty well. And when I finally get around to having a desk, it's gonna be a lot nicer. But yeah, for now I'm just using this. Alright, and then I'm gonna just show you guys like the outside like balcony. There's not much to show. It's just I live right next to the university, so you can kind of see the university in the background. And then I have like a pole to hang my clothes at, some hangers, some clips for smaller items, and yeah, it's just, again, really convenient, really nice location, really quiet, and yeah, I like living here. Right, so this is what my room looks like. I hope you guys liked watching this video, seeing my new apartment compared to living in the dormitory. I'm happy that I live by myself now, don't have to clean up after anyone else, and so yeah, I really like my new apartment. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Bye!